Here we have two ratios set equal to each other. That is what we call a proportion. So for us to solve proportions, what we need to do is cross multiply. So here we get 4x times 7 equals 5 times 4. So we get 28x equals 20. Divide both sides by 28. So I get x equals 20 over 28, but I can still simplify that. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 4 goes into 28 7 times. Therefore, we get an answer of 5/7, choice D. Cross multiply. Okay, number 2. We have solved the proportion x plus 1 over 2x plus 6 equals 7 over 2. So what I like to do is make a parenthesis here, make a parenthesis here, because they go together. So now when I cross multiply, I get 2 times x plus 1 equals 7 times 2x plus 6. Okay, then I need to solve this. So I need to distribute first. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 is 2. 7 times 2x is 14x. And 7 times 6 is 42. Then I need to get my x's on one side, so I'm going to subtract this 2x on both sides. Therefore, I get 2 equals 12x plus 42. Then I'm going to subtract my 42. Therefore, I get negative 40 equals 12x. And lastly, divide by 12. So I get x equals negative 40 over 12. But we can't leave it like that because we can simplify. 4 goes into negative 40, negative 10 times. 4 goes into 12, 3 times. So we get negative 10 over 3, choice C as our answer. And lastly, number 3 here. We have a word problem. It says the ratio of a quarterback's completed passes to attempted passes is 7 to 8. So completed 7 to attempted 8. It says if he attempted 24 passes, how much did he complete? Okay, so he attempted we put on the bottom here. So we're going to put attempted on the bottom over here. 24 attempted goes on the bottom here. We are looking for completed, so I'm going to put an X up here. So now we're going to cross multiply. We get 8 times X equals 7 times 24. So let's do 7 times 24 off to the side here. 24 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus my 2, I get 16. So here I get 8x equals 168. And then I need to divide by 8. When I divide by 8, I get 21 as my answer, which is choice B.